All right, welcome everyone. Welcome to this is the intro session data analysis. And I truly appreciate you all for joining in well in time. And I understand that's after a long time you all are here. So I truly appreciate that it's early morning over there in your time zone. And still you chose to show up. That shows the seriousness for which you are looking for. You were waiting for this. So how this is going to happen today? So let me see that if my video is on, getting on, and I would come on video. In case not, then it will be audio. And before I get started, I am hitting the record button already. So please confirm if you can see me, if you can hear me clearly at least. I understand that you can't see me. That can you all hear me clearly?
Yes, we can hear you.
Thank you so much, Nash. Thank you so much. So wonderful. So I see some, okay. Erisa, thank you so much for your confirmation as well. Thank you so much, Raja. So, well, how we are going to get started, you can see already on the screen our another co-trainer, that's Vivek Dubey. Vivek, hi to you. You can wave your hand if you are hearing. Yeah, thank you so much. So, yes, so let me, yeah, I hope you can see me as well. So, hi, everyone. I hope you can see and now here as well. So how it is going to happen? So we are understand this today's session is just going to be a Kickstarter and intro session, not only from me, but also from you. We want to understand who are you, from where you are connecting, what we are going to learn, how we are going to learn, and till what time we are going to learn. So are you all with me, everyone? Do you understand the objective behind today's session? Yeah.
Yes, correct, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. So it is not going to be monologue that I'm going to speak and you are just going to listen. This is going to be an interactive session, even though it is intro. And I one more time truly appreciate you all that it's a morning time zone and still you are showing up from there. So before I ask you about something, we get to know each other. Is it okay that the co-trainers, Vivek and me, both of us introduce each other? Do you all allow me? Allow us? Yeah. Do we have permission? Yeah. Thank you so much. So first I would request Vivek, you can unmute and you can quickly introduce, and I'm going to share my, slide as well so that you get to see that. Okay. So
Sure,
yes.
sure, Gaurav. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hello everyone. It is nice to see you in the morning, as like Gaurav mentioned, right? Definitely it shows your enthusiasm for this session which we are going to have. So I will talk about myself and then I will hand it over to Gaurav. So as you see in the slide, right, I have around 12 years of IT experience. I have worked, in large scale based IT projects, which involve a lot of mortgages, financial projects, right? So mostly my background was related to data. I have been involved in transforming the data, in extracting the data, and also in loading the data, right? So earlier, I used to do all these things using, SQL, which is still a very prominent technology in the market because that is the base. Now we are slowly moving over to the cloud, taking the help of SQL. Okay, so with this, 12 years of my experience, I can tell you that, not only from the technically, but I have lead and managed bigger teams, which is like 20 to 22 members. And here in this course, I will be along with Gaurav teaching you on the basic skills on SQL and one of the ETL skills, which is SSIS. And I hope that I will get all the support from you. And if you have any questions, right, after I will give you the details of the sessions, you're always welcome to reach out to me. So thank you everyone, and over to you, Gaurav.
All glad to hear from you. Okay, I'm still audible to you, right? Please confirm. You can
Yes.
unmute yourself and you can
Yes.
Yes.
you
Gaurav,
wish.
yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, Vivek, for introducing so well about you and everyone. One more time, very, very good morning to you all. So I am Kumar Gaurav. You can address me as Gaurav, and I come from IT experience. Almost, I have 20 years of experience. I have played various role in IT that is related to release manager, service delivery manager, Scrum Master, service manager, project lead, BA lead, QA lead, BA and QA, and I am Scrum certified. I have various certification from PMI, Scrum Alliance, and Scrum Study as well. Apart from this, I am Six Sigma certified, and also apart from these technical roles, I teach my students towards mindset coaching, business coaching, digital coaching. I'm also Amazon India best-selling author for two amazing books, and those are self-help book backed by science fiction. And also, I have trained so far more than 8,000 students in the various domain. In IT, I have contributed in BFSI domain. You can see that the almost 8 and 9 country I have traveled so far. Having said so, this is a quick intro from my end and Vivek's end. I would encourage you all to start introducing yourself. How you can introduce? You can introduce about yourself. Who are you? From where you are connecting? What is your educational background? And what is your any experiential, official experience background? Would love to know so that we can bridge the tempo and understanding between from where you get to from where you are going to get started and from where you want to reach, and also make sure that you tell us that why did you join this. So let me quickly share this screen with you so that we get to hear the right thing from you. Your name, your prior experience, if any, and also your educational background. Let me quickly type in here. Okay. Educational background. I hope my screen is visible to you. Why you want to undergo this training, why you want to get placed, and why you think that it could be easy for you to comprehend this data analytics track and move ahead. So do you all see that? May I invite you to introduce yourself? Who can go first? Anyone?
I'll go first.
Okay, please go ahead, Nach.
Yes, sir. So good morning, Gaurav, sir. Good morning, Vivek Dubey, sir.
Good morning.
So my name is Naj Hussaini. I honestly don't have a prior experience with IT, but I do have a transportation experience. Educational background. I have started doing I did the high school from United States. I actually live in the United States, Florida, United States. I did my high school here, and I did go for my associates, but couldn't finish the associate's degree. And why I want to go through this training is because a lot of my friends and my family, they are in IT field, some in cybersecurity and others are business analysts, data analysts. So so what they're telling me is that this is the future. And I was in the data that I looked at and the work that I looked up there um were quite interesting. And I'm like, you know what, I actually really like stuff like this, this could lead me somewhere. So that's why I wanted to get placed and find me find what I like to do, first of all, something that's interesting to me, and also something that is future proof, as well as something that would pay great. So all these three reasons.
Awesome.
Yeah, and also yeah, this really what it is.
Awesome. Now, so could you also tell that, means if you have already spoken, I somehow could not hear it well. So what is your educational background, and if you are working somewhere already?
Yeah, so my educational background is honestly till high school, and I did start my associate's degree, 2 years degree after high school, but I just couldn't finish it.
All right.
And right now I am not working. I'm actually just taking courses So I did take, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I did start taking SQL just to
Mhm.
see if I would even like this data, the analyst job, or work. And
All right.
yeah, it's
Thank you so much,
just
Naj.
basic SQL.
Yeah, thank you so much, Naz, for your honest introduction. So everyone listen very closely what you have to speak, how you have to introduce yourself, that I have already pasted in the chat. Hope you all can see that in Zoom chat. Do you all see? Yeah, thank you so much for nodding, Erisa. Appreciate that. And I hope everyone with Erisa as well. So Naj, because you have already introduced yourself, I would love to know from you from whom you should hear the next introduction. So can you tell us that from whom you want to hear next?
Yes, sir. I would go with Isra.
Erisa, because she is already on video. Erisa, over to you. So could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Esra Tabidi. I'm located in
So Arisa,
you-
just hang on for a moment. So guys, you heard from Naj already. So can you all just say hello, hello to Naj on chat window at least, if not on audio. And because you just now heard Arisa name as well, can you also type into the chat window from Arisa, hi Arisa as well. Okay, so just a second. And Arisa, before you get started, I'm putting you all you on hold. Thank you so much. Yeah. Just a moment. You need to wait.
Okay.
Hey, Arisa, thank you so much for waiting. And thank you everyone for waiting. So yeah, please go ahead, Arisa.
Hey, thank you. Hello to you all and good morning if you guys are on the east side. I'm from USA, Florida. My background is Sudanese, Sudanese, so first generation here. My prior experience is a bachelor's degree in psychology. I went to all education here, so I was born and raised here. I went to psychology for 5 years. I have no experience in technology, and all of a sudden I have a pivotal point of, hey, I want to change my career. I see a lot of people doing it. I see cyber shooting through the roof. I started looking around and doing my researches, and I found out that the data analyst is the most thing that's fitting for me. I'm interested in the CQI language as I'm very data driven, and also I would like to see how I do in the tech industry, as I see that it is the future. So yes.
All right. So this is what it is, Arisa, all about you. Thank you so much. So everyone, if you have not already said hi to Arisa, you can, or hello to Arisa, you can do that. And Arisa, from whom you want to hear next, quickly?
To PT, I'm
Okay.
just going screen. Yes.
Okay.
Sorry
So,
if I said your
so whose name you said that? Dipti. Okay. So Dipti, over to you. Please quickly introduce yourself, your name, from where you're connecting, your educational background, and any working experience if you have. Over to you, Dipti.
Good morning, Gaurav sir, and good morning, Vivek sir.
Good morning.
Thank you, Esra, for choosing me. My name is Deepti. My education background is BSc Math, and I did MBA in HR from India. I'm working as a teacher in school. I started my teaching career since 2 years. But I just wanted to switch my career to IT, and data analysis looked good to me because of my education background. And I'm really not good in coding, so I thought this would be better for me. I last year I just enrolled in Coursera for data analyst course from Google certification, but I couldn't finish it because of my work and my kids and everything. So I thought if I can get the training experience, uh, so that will be good for me. And that's the only reason that I wanted to join this. I'm from Chicago.
Okay, Dipti, thank you so much. Next, from whom we want to hear. And everyone, please type in the chat window, hello to Dipti. Yeah, Dipti, from whom you want to hear next?
Hetal.
Hetal. Yes, Hetal, over to you.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Thank you, Dipti. My name is Hetal, and my education is I did my master in accounting back in 2010 from India, and currently I'm located in Houston, Texas. And the reasons I choose the data analyst, I love to play with the numbers. I really like mathematics, so that's the reasons I choose the data analyst. And I have a healthcare, retails, and government's experience. And currently, I'm not working, so I can give my 100% on this class.
Awesome, Hetal. Thank you so much for sharing that. Hetal, whom should we hear from next? And everyone, please type in chat window, hello to Hetal. You can quickly.
Maithili.
Okay, Maithili. So Maithili, over to you. Your name, from where you're connecting, your educational background, or if you're working already, and that's it. Maithili.
Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Maithili, and I have done my bachelor's in computer application and MBA with marketing and HR. Before marriage, I got some experience in marketing, but after marriage, I couldn't continue. So I wanted to start again, and data is the God nowadays. So I thought of joining with the data analytics.
Awesome, Maithili, thank you so much. So Maithili, whom should we hear from next? And everyone, please type in chat window, hello to Maithili. Yeah, Maithili.
It's Ferdinand.
Okay, Ferdinand, over to you. Quickly, kindly introduce yourself.
Thank you.
Ferdinand, if you can hear us. Okay, Ferdinand, we are waiting for you. We will move after the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's move to Raja. Raja, could you hear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Raja Lakshmi, and I like to be called Raja. I currently am not working. I quit teaching last year. I was working as a cybersecurity teacher for about 2 years and for high school students, and computer science teacher for 3 years for middle school. Prior to that, while I was in India, I was a professional banker, like relationship banker. I worked for Axis Bank for 6 years.
Mhm.
I've always wanted to come into IT because my bachelor's is math, statistics, and computer science, and I've done MCA from IGNO. Always wanted to get into IT, but somehow I just took up a job that came my way. But this time I quit everything, like I quit my job, and I'm seriously trying to get into IT. The reason for data analyst is I really liked SQL. I learned SQL on my own, and also my husband is into data. He's done Informatica. He's an Informatica developer, ETL, Tableau, and he's a data guy. So I thought I could get some help from and support from him as well.
Awesome, Raja. Thank you so much. So yeah, everyone, please type in the chat window, hello to Raja. Okay, Raja, you wanted to say something else?
Yeah, I would like to nominate Major.
Yeah, Major, we are left with you. So Major, over to you.
Good morning, everyone. Sir,
Good morning.
I was trying to change my name, but my name is Aves. I don't know why it's coming up as Major. I did my high school. I am from Florida. I did my associates, but I couldn't complete. I know Naj very well because we are friends together in Florida. My past experience of working is retail. And I got into data because my cousin, he is into this, and for a better future, he is like, you should do that and get to a good job. rather than hustling out. And now I have a 5-month-old son, so I'm doing it for him. So hopefully, we'll get with this and have a good future.
All right. Awesome. What did you say your name?
Abbas. It's Abbas.
Avesh.
Yes.
Okay, Avesh. Thank you so much. So everyone,
Well-
please type in chat window. Hello to Raja and hello to Avesh. So yeah, guys. So as you know that I got some ping from someone that you need to head to office. Okay, so we'll try to wrap up as this is the intro session. So what I'm going to leave with you, we are going to leave with you with the plan, schedule, and from when we are going to get started. But because what we understand, this time is not really means feasible for all of you to attend, so we need to switch towards your night timing. So how it is going to be, what is going to be the night time? So let me quickly share the screen with you, what we have planned for you and why we are going to, what we are going to do. One more time, so I have shared one link with you all in the in the chat as well as into the WhatsApp. Did you all fill that up? If not, then that you need to fill it up. Okay, is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. And that is in your chat as well. So having said so, let me quickly move to another slide to see that what is there in the plan. So this is the entire plan. So we are going to learn data analysis, and this is going to be 8 weeks of plan, where initially 4 weeks will be conducted by Gaurav, that's me, and next or last 4 weeks, that is from week 5 to week 8, will be conducted from Vivek. So this is a combination of data analysis with SSIS, that's related to SQL. So you will get to learn more and understand this data analysis for beginner, for those people especially who don't have zero knowledge of anything in the IT. So we are catering accordingly. So hope this message is clear to you all. Is it clear to you all? Any question around this? You can take the screenshot of it if you wish to, and we will be moving accordingly. So there is some change in management, and that's the reason there was a delay, and that's the reason we decided to restart this track of data analysis from the start of the month, from the new month, and that is going to be the next Thursday, that is 1st of June. So till then, what you can do, you just understand these all, and you also need to understand when we are going to get started, even if we are going to meet from Thursday, next Thursday. So how it is going to be, the schedule is going to be for you. Thursday, 9 p.m. EST, we are going to meet. That is going to be your technical session. Friday, again, we are going to meet at 9 p.m. EST. That's going to be your technical session. Saturday, there will be some said assignment or unsaid assignment that you need to prepare. So you need to invest at least 15 minutes to maximum 45 minutes throughout the day to do such assignment. What is said assignment, unsaid assignment? I'm going to talk about it in the coming day one session. And then Sunday, you can again do the said or unsaid assignment of the next day that you have learned on the Friday. So Thursday assignment will be dedicated on Saturday. Friday's assignment will be dedicated on Sunday. Monday can be breather day for you. And again on Tuesday, you all are requested to attend RRP session. Why? Because I believe every one of you are doing this training, not just for the training, but also to get placed. Do you all agree with that?
Yes.
Only one person or all of you?
Yes, we
Yes.
agree.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much for agreeing in one voice. And then again, on Wednesday, you are given a time to repeat whatever you have learned, explore something extra that you have not learned, and you are coming ahead from that, from your own exploration. And then finish, if anything is pending like assignment or something, you can prepare more questions that you can ask to the next day. And next day again, when we are going to meet on Thursday for the technical session, but also you remember to repeat the Thursday RRP session. Is it clear to you all how the schedule is going to be?
Yes.
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 Okay, so I want anyone to volunteer. Who can volunteer? What the volunteer I want you to do, just take a screenshot of it and paste it in the WhatsApp group. Who can do that? Anyone?
I can do that.
Thank you so much, Heather. Appreciate that for doing so. So I hope every one of you can take in the screenshot, or if Heather you have taken, you can. Did you take?
Yes, I did it.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you
So
so much.
can you show the previous slide?
Okay, previous slide was this. Okay, all right. So this was a quick session for you to let you know from when we are going to get started. This is going to get updated in the WhatsApp group as well, in the description. So I don't want to take much of your time, but yeah, just wanted to let you know we are connected. We are going to get started. There was some change in the management, and that's why some day of wait period was there, and wait period was nice. And yeah, that's what. So having said so, I want to hear from each one of you. What are you feeling right now? What do you feel like saying? So let's start from Awais. Awais, what do you feel like saying? One word.
Sir, I'm to be honest, I'm excited to start this and learn something different. And hopefully, we'll have a good future after doing everything with you guys. So let's take this step.
Awesome, Avesh, thank you so much. Raja, what do you feel like saying? I know that we are just connected and we are going to get started from 1st June. What do you feel like saying?
I am very hopeful that I will understand this very well and I'll be placed very soon.
Super awesome. Maithili, what do you feel like saying? One word from your end.
Looking forward for this. And I also want to know, meanwhile, what else we can do other than the course part. Like I have seen many people are updating for the LinkedIn profile thing.
So
meanwhile, what else
question.
we can groom
Good question. So for meanwhile, until we meet again on 1st June, I would request you all to not to miss RRP session. Get connected in RRP session with your HR and Devji, so that you will have clear idea how you continue to optimize your profile. So I hope that's clear. Maithili, who did ask question? Maithili only, right? So
yes.
Hetal, one word from you. What do you feel like saying?
First of all, I want to say about the schedule. I really like the schedule. It fits with my schedule too. And I'm excited to start my new journey.
Awesome, Hetal. Thank you so much. Ferdinand, sorry, we missed your introduction. If you could quickly introduce yourself and say one word. So let me know if you hear us still.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, loud and clear. Please go ahead.
Oh, yeah. Well, what was part of the introduction? Just my name and what I'm doing? I'm Ferdinand Gok. I picked the data analyst, and I'm excited about this course. I'm very excited to get started with you guys and get a job and get started.
Awesome, Ferdinand. And what do you feel like saying? The last word. What's your feeling?
Yeah, I'm excited about the whole course, and I like the schedule, and I'm excited to learn and get started.
Thank you so much, Ferdinand, for your honest introduction and feeling. Dipti, over to you. What do you feel like saying?
I'm excited to start the new journey of computers and looking forward to the classes, and schedule is great for me. Thank you so much.
Awesome, Dipti. Glad to know. Yes, Naj, what do you feel like saying?
Sir, I'm happy we're starting the class. Ready to learn. I really want to learn and get placed.
Awesome.
Be happy.
Great clarity. Thank you so much, Naj. Appreciate that. Elsa, what do you feel like saying?
I'm very excited to start this class as well. I like the fact that you gave us clarification and you gave us a very great outline on putting in the work with scheduling and making sure that we're clear with everything. So I'm excited to start.
Awesome.
And good luck to everyone.
Yeah, we are also excited and we are going to go ahead. So Vivek, sir, any closing remarks from your end? What do you feel like saying, Vivek?
No, I just wanted to wish all the best to everyone. And I'm very sure that, you will get a lot of learning through this session. So, happy to start the session soon.
Okay, guys. So thank you so much, Vivek. Thank you so much, everyone, for you showing up over here, spending time and understanding what we are going to do, how we are going to do, when we are going to do. Everything is clear, crystal clear. Even though people, if you have not attended this live, you are listening to this into the recording, and just type your comment that what do you feel like saying. And we are going to meet again on 1st of June at 9 p.m. EST. Till then, do attend RRP session and we are going to talk to you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care and have a super awesome day ahead. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Good day.